What's going on, everyone? It's ggkickzz here, and today I'm bringing you guys the Concord 12s. I know some of you might be confused on why these are called the Concords, because we usually see Concords in the white and black colorway, but Concord is actually this purple that you guys see here. It's actually in this nice metallic color on this Air Jordan 12. This Air Jordan 12 is considered by most to already be a brick, but I actually see these going up in value a lot because it really is a dope shoe. It's just that so many shoes are coming out right now that people don't really know which one to go for, which one not to go for. So these might actually go up a lot within the next couple months because holiday season, Christmas season, you guys already know. Everybody wants sneakers, everybody wants to get fly for the holidays. So if you guys are new to the channel, I want you guys to press that like button, that sub button, and also turn on the notification bell because it really does help out a lot. And now let's get into the shoe. All right, so here's a closer look at the box. This is your regular Air Jordan 12 box. If you guys are familiar with this, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. On the side, got your brown on the top, that orangey red on the side, Jordan. Here's a look at the size tag. Air Jordan Retro 12, black dark Concord. As I was telling you guys, Concord is actually the purple in the shoe. So here's a full 360 on the shoe before we get into it and talk about it. On the upper of this shoe, we got this nice soft leather going all around, creeping into the toe box. Then we got some rougher leather on the sides. As you guys know, with the Air Jordan 12s, has this little like reptilian feel / pattern to it. And then you got your dark Concord all on the lace holders and on the side of the midsole right here with your Jumpman logo. Here's a tongue, also Jumpman in that Concord color. You got your 2. You got your 2, 3 for 23, Michael Jordan's numbers, you guys all know. Let's take a look at the back here, the heel. You got your Jordan, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Once again, you got your Jumpman on the pull tab, 23 on the bottom of the heel right there. The outsole, you got your nice carbon fiber in gray and black. Concord 23 right there, and then your classic Jumpman in the front of the toe box that you guys can all see. So overall, very dope shoe, definitely slept on. Most people are calling this a brick, but to me, it's definitely not a brick. You just got to give it time with the sneaker game right now. Too many coming out. All right, guys, so my final thoughts on this Air Jordan 12 Concord. I actually really like these, but I'm gonna have to give these an 8 just because it's really plain and simple. It's not too flashy. And out of all the Air Jordan 12s this year, this one ranks to me on a high level. The indigos didn't really do well. I would have liked to see the obsidians instead of the indigo, but it was a pretty dope shoe because of the leather, fades over time and all that. But yeah, 8 out of 5 on these. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you made it this far, I want to thank you guys for watching. And also, if you can like and subscribe if you haven't already, also turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one.